What's going on, Dub Chasers? Today we got another install video for you on the Mk6 GTI. We are installing sequential mirror turn signals straight from China, just like on the Mark 7.5, which we did a video on, you can find here. And then we also did, I'll pull you, on Vincent's Mark 7 that we didn't make a video on because it's exactly the same as the 7.5. But yeah, now it is my turn. So Vincent has already gotten started. Pulled off the actual mirror.
Yep, that's where you start.
And how did you do that?
Well, I can jump to the other side.
Okay.
So push mirror in on the inside all the way out, and it's pretty much you just want to get yourself under and pry some more, and it just kind of snaps out.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's concerning, but it's the only way to get it out. That's where you start.
Sweet. So what bolts or screws have you had to take off?
So after you take off the glass, I think there's 5 or so of these super little screws. They're T15s. Yeah, they're that
guy.
Yep, they're like T15s or something really small.
Okay.
T10s actually.
Very small.
Yeah, so you take all those out, and then we can move to the next step.
Gotcha.
It'd be good to have a little small magnet with you too, in the event that it's like this and the screw just doesn't want to come out. You can get it out.
Nice. Tool tip of Vincent.
Tool tips of the day.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do another famous Dub Chasers unboxing. Haven't done one of these since the access port a long time ago. So basically, open the box. You got the two. Basically, unlike the Mark 7, where it's just the LED, it's the actual whole under panel of the mirror. And you also get, oh, Vince, they include a pry tool.
Oh, nice.
Hi, Josh.
I do.
Alright, so,
so this,
well, first start with
well, yeah, that's what but this is just there. This, I don't know where they went. No. Has the 2 clips. So you're popping these 2 clips as you're pulling this guy out.
Gotcha.
Once that's out, this guy can just get kind of scooted back and up. He's not held in by any clips or anything. This little clip is just kind of a center.
So it's just
well, this one's a center point.
It's basically freely sitting there once that guy comes out.
Yep, so it's like that.
Okay.
Those 2 are clipped in.
Okay.
We'll keep going. Weird clip, but that's it. So this guy was up like this. Once you pull those 2 things out, the only clip that's being held in that holds this guy up is this guy. This little 2-prong thingy. What I was just doing was pushing this guy in and trying to pull it down.
Okay.
Then it comes out.
Sweet. That's easy. And as I pointed out to the boys earlier, the ones that I'll try to find these exact ones again and put them in the description, but they came with your own little Torx key and a little pick. So if you have no tools, these will come with all the ones that you'll need.
God, it is so hot, especially with you 2 guys standing next to me.
I'm leaving room.
I know we're hot.
No, that's still not connected. Let's try it.
Okay. Just turn on the hazards.
True.
Ooh.
Looking good?
Yep.
Very good.
Alright.
Okay, we're done.
Install's done.
Put everything back together.
Nope. That's
Nope,
it.
It's done.
Oh, okay.
Thoughts?
Good enough.
Pretty easy. I just showed up.
In the Civic.
Oh yeah. Yank it out. And it's like, it's really easy. So,
Yeah, okay, buddy.
Not everything else is easy on that car, though. Have you posted it anywhere yet?
What's that?
Have you posted it anywhere yet for sale?
No, I'm gonna wait for the body work to be done before I post
How are you
it.
gonna go get the bodywork done?
He just wants the panels shipped over there,
Ah,
so we're just gonna deliver them by hand.
Is it that same place that we went to that one time? Over by Roosevelt?
Oh, probably not.
Okay.
It's in like Evanston.
Oh, yep. Nope. Definitely not.
So after that's done, then I'm gonna put together all the underbody panels and the bumper and all that stuff.
Matthew, can I get the light?
Yep.
I'm gonna put it for sale.
That is not helping. Up. Yeah, I need it up
But
higher.
Dad, I'm doing a lot right now.
I'm working as hard as I can, Dad.
Here, do you want me to give me the light?
No, I got it. I'm a machine.
Lighting and cameraman?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I do it all.
Trying to like get dinner sometime.
I'd
Why is
love
there, like,
to get
no
dinner.
leg room in here?
What?
Why is there like no leg room in here?
Because I'm short, Josh. Asshole.
Dude, like he's hitting the steering wheel stock.
Sorry that we're all not 6-foot monsters like you are.
There we go.
All clipped in?
Yep. Except for, well, I mean that, but.
Have I driven your car
That's
since the short shifter, Matthew?
The what?
Have I driven your car since the short shifter?
I think so. Short shifter was like one of the first things we did. Well, not first, but
Oh
like.
crap! Where does this go in? Look at that.
There we go.
Oh, you're lucky I'm so good at this. Because that's where it goes. Wait. Shit. Isn't that where the bolt went? Yeah, fuck. I thought I could get too ahead of myself and put this screw in, but I didn't realize that it's also one there. They're decent.
Alright, we had one
No.
casualty.
Yeah.
When you're re-putting in that top right bolt, just be careful because it's held in by all plastic. So I don't even know what you initially did,
Just started trying to put it in, just too much torque instantly.
and it just snapped the plastic off.
Yep. Yo, shut that fucking dog up.
Doggy. Why don't you focus?
Yo, bitch. This dumbass dog messing with my grill.
Vince, what do we need to do for this one?
You can start by,
Oh, these need to get screwed.
yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna see this.
Okay,
Okay.
and it's done. Driver's side is done.
Yep. Ta-da!
Ooh. And look how nice the smoked out looks. Very nice. Alright. Passenger side time.
And so now start pulling away. And now you unclip this one. No, hold on.
Yeah, you didn't notice this, Matthew? You got like pieces of turn signal.
Well, yeah, because I rammed into... This side was me. Because
What did you do?
backing on my dad's garage.
And you hit the edge.
Yeah.
Oh.
But that one...
Actually, you know what?
That one got
I
beat
don't
up
even
by
think we
the...
need to take this out. Here, wait, hold on. Josh, can you hold the light, like, there-ish?
You want me to move it all?
No, there is okay. But because we only need... Wait, but how did we get... What did we have to... No.
I mean,
okay.
they're connected though.
Wait, but then how did this...
Pliers.
Maybe try something, Vince.
Well, no, because I'm pretty sure it's just held in by this one clip down here. And I just want to... Yeah, I want to not break it.
Here, hold the light. You mean Matthew's BMW or Volkswagen?
No, you didn't push
Your
it
head
on the
is
far
just
enough.
BMW.
That's just what I've been saying the last week and a half.
I know, buddy.
Nope.
And it's just not like keeping enough traction on there. There we go. There we go.
Alright, hold on. No, it's like it doesn't. There we go. It was just like stuck for some reason.
Sandwich. Awesome. So we didn't have to take off the pancake.
No, you don't.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a painful clip.
Let me, here, Josh, you grab this again. I'm gonna go get the other one. Or do you even need the light, Vince?
Yes.
Now, do you know what the exact color of your car is?
Bitch black.
It looks like a blue-black almost.
It's black pearl metallic.
Black bitch.
So that pearl
That's all I'm hearing.
light.
Little bitch. Little bitch metallic.
At least I don't have a red car.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
Red cars are gross.
Car's dirty.
My car's very dirty.
Don't wash your car.
Alright, you want to toss this one before? Oh, wait.
Yeah, just throw
Can
that.
I reach?
There you go.
Ooh.
Poggers. We're so ready to just break the fucking thing.
110%.
Josh came in hot with the vice grip for the nips.
Vice grips for the nips. There it is. Is that all the way?
Yep. It hangs out like that a little bit. Because
Ever since the accident. Ever since your car's mirror went to fucking Nam.
Wow, you're so lucky I'm so good at this.
best mechanic in the game. Yay.
Big dummy dumb.
Yeah, we're getting some poppage down here. We are.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Where? Down.
This gap.
That's probably why it's not connecting, right?
These are cool light fixtures.
They are. They're very bright to look at.
Ta-da!
All done. Good stuff.
God, it's so hot.
Oof.
I'm literally sweating, dude.
We're all sweating.
My dude,
It's 90 degrees out.
sweating, my dude.
The big sweat.
The big sweat.
Ooh.
Help me, my G. I'm sweating.
Next is the headlights.
My G. I'm still sweating.
You okay, Vince?
No, it's hot.
I think the word you're looking for is humid.
No.
Very humid.
It is above 60 degrees. It is hot. This John is hot.
All right.
I'm in a different shirt. That's awkward.
That's
Okay.
our Motorsport sponsor.
And no. Not
That's
yet.
it. That
That's
was
it.
like 30 minutes, if not less.
Probably 20 to
Very
25.
easy install. So far, I mean, from being from China off of eBay, it ain't bad.
Damn bad.
Except for the little mishap we had with the driver side and snapping off
Broke the
the
plastic.
plastics. But
What
that was
do you
actually
use?
on my car. It wasn't even mine. We highly recommend them. They make the car look a lot nicer, and when paired with
Broken ass halogens.
better headlights, video coming in the future, they actually look really good. And for the money, they're definitely not bad. So, thanks for watching this short install video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content on the Mark 6, Mark 7, and Tyler's Mark 7.5. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Yo.